O-level English language is fun. Please watch till the end.
Hello, welcome back to our O-level English class. This class is specially organized for students writing WAEC, NECO, JAMB, GCE, or any other examination. And perhaps you want to broaden your horizon on English language. This class is also recommended for you. In our previous class, we learned some tips on how to address synonyms and antonym questions. Remember, synonyms are words having similar meanings, while antonyms are words having opposite meanings. And in the tips I gave you, I'm going to refer to one of them, which says that you need to identify some common prefixes, suffixes. You should also practice roots and base words. Looking at those tips I gave you in the previous class, I'd like us to have more tips on how to answer questions on synonyms and antonyms. Looking at the first one here, we have root words. Root words. A root word is the primary form of a word. Even though root words may contain the core meaning of the word, they cannot stand alone. When we say root word is the primary form of a word, that means it is connected to probably a prefix or suffix or another base word. Root words usually come from Latin or Greek. So when you come across them, you should be able to understand that even though the word doesn't look meaningful, it is from a Latin word or a Greek word. So when added to other words, it will make meaning. Now let's look at this example. You have bene. This is the root word in benefit. This Latin word bene means good or well, when something is good or it is well. And when it is added to fit, it becomes benefit. And benefit means importance. Some other root words you can come across is also as follows. You have aqua, and aqua means water. You also have bio, B-I-O, which means life. You have dict, D-I-C-T, which means for you to say something or speak. And these three examples I gave, you can see them in aquarium, biology, and dictate. Let's look at base words. A base word is similar to a root word, but it can stand alone, unlike the root word which can stand on its own. Base words can stand on their own. That is, it is meaningful on its own. The base word is meaningful on its own. Example, you have break. Break as in breaking. Break is the base word, while ing is the suffix attached to break, which gives you breaking. Root word and base words help you to identify synonyms and antonyms because they hold the core meaning of a word. You need a good knowledge of root and base words to be able to identify words that are similar or opposite in your examination. You also need a good knowledge of prefix and suffix. In the next class, we'll talk more on prefix and suffix. But for today's homework, I'd like you to write 5 words containing the root word and the base word. Please forward your answers to the comment section. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, bye.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and follow. For more,